FEMY down 39.93%. This is Tuesday, the 26th of August, 2025 pre-market session. The company has priced up to $8 million in public offering of its shares. The stock has been showing a lot of weakness since the 5th of August. In fact, the whole of this August has just been weakness all the way. As a matter of fact, you have to go all the way back to the weakness. You have to go all the way back to let's say, to be exact, I would say, yeah, all the way back to early July. So July and August has been a bad month. Has been a month of weakness for the stock, and lower prices have since continued to print. Yeah, and extrapolation is also saying that it's going to remain in place. This weakness is going to remain. Is expected to remain in place up till Wednesday, the 3rd of November, probably even beyond that. Yeah, let's see. In terms of projections, currently as things stand right now, we have 0.8016. You can't bank on that. There's no guarantee that will print. Last time it printed such was as of the 11th of August. Okay, so we have everything is severely bearish. Everything is severely bearish. Yeah, but you never know. There might be a bounce. Actually, there is an indication here that we might get one in this session, but who knows how strong it will be? Who knows? So as of the 12th of August, sorry, 14th of August, we had on top of the 0.8016, we had 0.9246, $1, 1.05. Yeah, let's see. Let's have a look at this intraday high. Nothing here, nothing intraday. Intraday low yesterday, 0.2550. Okay, so underlying trend on its daily chart has to be severely bearish. Let's just see. Okay, not severely bearish, but bearish. So on the daily charts, the stock has been on the downtrend since March, as a matter of fact. So it hasn't found a bottom yet. Projections are saying 0.9231, 1.01, 1.07, nothing to the downside, even though we have 0.2550. But the algos, this last time they ever it's these algos ever calculated a downward projection was the 18th of June on this daily chart. So in terms of upper projections, we have 1.49, 1.65, 1.74. Even though the algos are not projecting lower prices, we still have to point them out. So below 0.2550, we have here. There's also one point. There's also 0. Let's see. There's also 0.1576, 0.3227 as well. It's currently trading out of Israel. Yeah, it has met the 0.32, broken it as a matter of fact. Yeah, so, but yeah, the key thing here is that the algos have stopped projecting downward projections. For some reason, I don't know exactly know. Yeah, it's stopped as of the 18th of June, as I indicated earlier on. This is the weekly chart. It's also the underlying trend is also bearish. Projections here saying 1.22, 1.45, 1.74, 1.92. Let's see, did we forgotten what I just mentioned in terms of projections here on this daily charts? Yeah, this is a 4-hour chart. Let's have a look at the daily chart. Want to get the projections. This okay projections we have yeah 1.49, 1.65, 1.76. Okay, here on the weekly chart we have yeah just on top of the one we have 1.92. Indeed, there are even higher projections. 3.45. This was as of early February or late February of last year. 3.34, 2.93, 2.28. This was sort of early May of last year, 2023. Yeah, so let's just quickly see what's going on the weekly chart for the stock. Okay, so bounce, some amount of bounce has occurred, and it's expected that you might hold it up and extend it further, but you can rely on that. Let's see. Yeah, we have here 0.4, 0.4190, 0.4487, 0.5243, 0.5298, 0.5331. These were as of yesterday the projections. Okay, so yeah, we don't exactly know when the bottom is gonna come in. Yeah, we don't exactly know when it's gonna print. Yes, on the on this 4 hour chart, the underlying trend is sorry, the price pressure momentums are severely bearish. Nothing in sight. Yeah, no bottom in sight. Nothing has gotten positive. But you never know. At some point, that may occur. Let's just see how active this market is. Price is 0.31580. Not so active as such. Not very active, but I was expecting that it will be active, given that it's a penny stock. Well, anyway, the market hasn't opened yet, and we didn't check how hard it is to borrow the stock. There's a good chance it may be hard to borrow the stock, um, or may not be. Even if it's it might vary. You know, if it's if it has continued to print lower prices and the stocks are hard to borrow, it may mean a lot of things, which may include the fact that short sellers are still able to find shares to short, because it's when they are obviously it's when selling goes on that the stock obviously begins to show weakness or stabilize or keep a cap or keep a cap on expansion. Yeah. So we have not been able to check if the stock is currently hard to borrow in terms of short sale. So just have a look, and I'll see. Let's see how things go. I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.